Hey guys, welcome back. I ordered some pens from this shop. Not exactly how to pronounce it, but been seeing it popping up on Facebook and Instagram, and I was like, what the heck? I knew it was going to take a while to get. It took about 3 weeks because it does come from China. There is another shop online that's called and I don't think it says pen, but it just says shop. But anyway, what I ordered I did get. I've already opened it just to make sure everything was in there. But I haven't swatched the pens, anything like that. I just opened it to see, make sure nothing was broken, and I got everything. So I just put a little piece of tape on it, taped it back. So all the pens come in here, and then I also ordered some little notes and stickers. And they wrapped all of these very nicely. You can see down in there, they put everything together, which is really cool. Okay. So these are the items that I ordered. It's rubberized. It's a little kitty paw. And all of these are gel pens. They have these really fine tips. They're really cool. Again, really fine tip. Has little characters, mainly animals. Fine tip. Had to get me a little hamster that's eating a cookie. And let's see. It's also a fine tip. He's really cute. And it's all kind of rubbery there at the end. And I got these because they're really beautiful. And the way they look on the page, they look like they would just be so different. And they said that it is random. You don't get to pick. But they are very beautiful. And I love that and that's why I ordered 2. Because they are different. This one has a little rabbit on the front, and it feels slightly rubberized. And then this one's a little bit lighter, and it's got a silhouette of a cat on it. There's his paw reaching up for the flower. So I'm glad I ordered both of those. I was glad I got 2 that were different. And then the little kitty cat here, he's smiling. And he's also got a very fine tip. And he's cute because then he just sits on the end of the pen. And another kitty cat. She's beautiful. Blowing a kiss. And her little tail. She's got little feet and a little tail. The only thing about this one is that obviously you'll just have to hang on to the cap because there's just no place to put it as far as I can tell. And this one I actually wrote with at work today. He's really cute. I'm not exactly sure what he's supposed to be. Maybe somebody knows. I'm sure in the description it had a name of what he was. This has blue ink. And the cool thing about this that I didn't figure out till today is that it has one of those friction erasers on the end. So this one is actually erasable. So I was like, oh, cool. Didn't know that till I started using it. And this one has a square body to it. And also a very fine point. And I just liked it because it had some floral design on it. And kind of the theme here is green, flowers, floral, fun. And look, he is so cute. I actually have a different pen that I got at Universal Studios, and he's actually sitting on top of the cap. And this is my very first juice up pen. Never had one before. And I thought, well, I'll get one in a color that I know I'll write with. I really like blue ink, as far as, something that I could take to work. Everything at work is just black and white. And, I just like to have something that kind of stands out just a little bit. So this is really cool. Has a 0.4 millimeter tip on the end of it. And this is a Cleena, if I'm saying that right, C-L-E-N-A, made by Pentel. And it is basically just like their Energel pens, except the casing looks different. It's an off-white with mint green stripes on it. It is a fine tip pen. And it's got black ink in it. I was thinking or hoping maybe it had a color ink, but no. But it's going to write just like the Energel pens. This little guy I've seen on several different sites, and it is a very small pen, but what is so cool about him is he has dual tips in 2 different colors, which is really neat. I've never seen that except just on videos. So I got him. Not sure how I'll use him, but I'm sure I'll figure out something. And then I have another pen. It says in morning. Not sure what exactly that means, but it's a 0.5, and I picked Taurus because that is for May. And then I also picked a mini Pilot fountain pen. I have not tried this yet because, just like I said, I just got this package yesterday, but it is literally that small. Now this would be great. They consider pens like this to be what they call a EDC, an everyday carry, because it's supposed to be something that fits in your pocket. Just like little small notebooks that are like 3x5. I actually have a small fountain pen, but it is not this small. So can't wait to see exactly how this writes. And lastly, I have a Kokurio, and I think this is similar to a brush pen. It's just it's very small. And let me see here. So I think what I have ordered is the casing, and I need to get an insert for it because it says it is the pen. I'll have to check on that and see if maybe there's just something missing, because obviously there's nothing in there, and to make sure that I was supposed to get something with this because it says it's a letter pen, and I'll just have to see if there's something that's supposed to come with it. But I liked it. It's mint green color. Just wanted to kind of pick out something different. So the Memo Pad that I got is a Chinese kitty cat, and he's really cool because the bottom part of the board folds out. You can see his little tail, and he would actually sit. If I could get the paper mashed down good enough, but he would sit on your desk, wherever you want to take him. And, or if you just wanted to put him in your notebook. And there we are. Not too many sheets on here, but you know, if you don't use him a whole lot, I'm sure it will last a long time. And then lastly, stickers. I'm not real big on stickers, but I've been kind of looking at these guys for a little while. I just thought they were really cute. I love cats, and I love the expressions on this cat's face. And I thought this would be so great for putting in my journal, maybe to depict what mood I'm in that day, whether I'm sleepy, whether I'm having a good day, not so good day, or what the WTF is going on. Wish I was napping. Oh wow, look at all the pens I got in the mail. But yeah, really cute. Lots of stickers. I think there's like 50 in a package, and it comes in a little package like that. It looks like a little jar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Can't even say unboxing. It's an unbagging of the pens from this shop. And I'm supposed to be getting another package soon from the same shop. It's only going to have 2 pens in it because they were out of stock at the time. And I'm also supposed to get a package, hopefully very soon, from a company that makes little vellum pieces. I think they're called Taperology, and I think they're out of China too. And I ordered 2 books from them, and they're about that thick, and they're probably about that size. Haven't ever laid eyes on them, but I don't know. And so I hope to show those off to you guys soon too. So I hope you liked this. Have any questions? I may just post a video of just swatches without talking, put some music to it, just to give you something to watch. Thanks.